Hey guys, Weatherholt here. Well, we are getting ready to start week 5 of e-learning. I can hardly believe it. In some aspects, this has moved tremendously slow, and it feels like I haven't seen you guys in ages. But in other aspects, I think since we're getting our routines down, it's seeming to flow a little bit better, and not be quite so awkward. Not necessarily the most desirable way that most of us like to do school, but hopefully we are all making some adjustments and getting into a routine and flow. For those of you, some of you have done a great job of getting into a routine and flow, and you're doing wonderfully. You've turned in all your assignments, or most of them. Um, you problem solve, and your grades are reflecting that. I'm very, very proud of you. For those of you who have struggled a little bit, it's not too late. It and there's definitely a grace period here. All of us need some time to adjust and figure it out. So if you have fallen a little bit behind, please take the time and get caught up. Um, all of your teachers, including myself, are accepting all late assignments, and we are not uh, counting them late at all or deducting any grades or points from your overall grade for it being late. So, um, if you need a little help, if you need some problem solving, if you would like to use the assignment completion tracker that I created that I showed last week, please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and we will get you back on track. Okay. So let's talk about what we're going to do this week. So this is our last week of chemistry, and we're going to wrap it up with um, drawing a conclusion about what to do with e-waste. Okay, we know that it's toxic. We know it's a huge problem worldwide. So what are we going to do with it? So I do want you to truly be thoughtful about this process. So I've broken it down across the 3 days. Today, um, you are going to do a 30-second Flipgrid video. Click on the correct link. It should take you there to our Flipgrid. You sign in with Google. You tell me which method you believe we should use and why. And that's it. Now, I know this is a little bit out of our comfort zone, and that's okay. Doing these video descriptions are definitely out of my comfort zone. So, uh, it's okay if you want to put a sticker over your face, or if you want to talk and just turn the computer so that you're not on the computer. I get it. That's okay. Many of you are familiar with Flipgrid at some level, and uh, I think we can do this and we can give it a try. Okay, so. Uh, if you run into some problems, please feel free to email me, and we'll problem solve through those. So after you kind of state your claim and give one reason, on Wednesday, we're going to think about our trade offs. Okay. Remember, a trade off is something, it's like the con, it's what's not desirable about the choice. So you're not going to make another Flipgrid, but on Wednesday, you're going to view at least two other people's Flipgrids, and you're going to respond by giving a trade off of that method. Now, it doesn't mean that you disagree with that person, but this is some cooperative learning that we're going to be doing and responding, because maybe they haven't thought of that. So go ahead and you'll do two responses. Again, less than 30 seconds, just to help your fellow classmates out, and they're going to help you out as well. Um, at that point, you might, after you hear some responses, you might change your mind, and that's okay. Okay, because your final assignment for this week is on Friday, when you're going to complete the scoring guide. Now, this is it is found up here. This is a double stuffed Oreo. You're going to write your topic sentence, which is your opinion. You're going to then give two reasons, and explain those reasons, or give some evidence on each of those reasons. And you can go back to using some other discussions and data that we've talked about before. Then you need to give a trade off, one trade off, and explain that trade off. And then finally wrap it up with restating your opinion, okay, your concluding sentence. Don't forget to use those 5 rules of writing also. And then you will submit it into PowerSchool right here, okay? I hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, please make sure and let me know.